These pumpkin spice donut holes are very soft and delicious. They are full of the fall season flavors. This will become a family favorite recipe. Enjoy! To start, prepare the pumpkin puree. Take a small pumpkin and remove all the seeds and strings with a spoon. Brush the pumpkin flesh with oil. Sprinkle with salt. And place flesh down on a baking sheet. Pierce the skin a few times with a fork or knife to let the steam escape. Bake for 45 to 50 minutes or until a fork easily pierces the skin at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Then, remove the pan from the oven. Let the pumpkin cool off for about 10 minutes. Scoop out the flesh from the pumpkin and weight 165 grams. Blend all the puree until smooth and reserve it. Pour 35 grams or 1/8 of a cup of melted unsalted butter in the bowl of a stand mixer. Add 50 grams or 1 large egg. Add 165 grams or 3/4 cups of pumpkin puree. Mix all the ingredients with a silicone spatula and add 20 grams or 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of allspice. Mix the ingredients and add 80 grams or 1/3 of a cup of stiff sourdough starter at 50% hydration. To make this sourdough starter, combine 20 grams or 1 1/4 tablespoons of water with 20 grams or 1 tablespoon of sourdough starter and 40 grams or 1/3 of a cup of flour. Mix all the ingredients well and let proof in a warm place for 4 to 8 hours. Add 300 grams or 1 3/4 cups of flour and 6 grams or 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Use the hook attachment and start kneading your dough for about 20 minutes or until your dough looks soft and elastic and starts to come off the walls of the bowl. Get your dough out of the bowl and finish kneading it by hand. Make a ball of dough and place it in a grease-proofing container. Let the dough proof overnight in the fridge. Now, it's a good moment to make an applesauce. Place in a slow cooker 6 apples that have been peeled, cored, and sliced. Add 150 grams or 3/4 cups of granulated sugar and 150 grams or 3/4 cups of brown sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 tablespoon of grated nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 13 grams or 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix all the ingredients well with a silicone spatula and slow cook for about 10 hours. Stir at least one time while you keep cooking. The next morning, blend until you have a smooth puree and keep cooking for about 2 hours with the lid off. Take the dough out of the fridge. Make a ball of dough. And divide it in 16 equal pieces. You can use a scale to have equal sized pieces, or cut them in equal sizes like I am doing it here. Place the balls of dough on a prepared baking sheet and cover them with a lid or plastic wrap. In the meantime, prepare your frying station. Fry the donut holes for at least 2.5 minutes per side, or until they are golden brown. Place the donut holes on a cooling rack over a baking sheet. And coat all the donut holes with a mixture of sugar and ground cinnamon. In the end, dip the donut holes in the applesauce and enjoy them. These donut holes are very soft, full of the fall flavors, and delicious. Enjoy! I really hope you can try this recipe for your family and friends. If you like this video, please click on the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I have a new video every week. Thank you for watching.